Hey everybody, Jason here. It's BX4. Thank you for coming back to the channel. So today we're going to shift gears a little bit, and I've said this in a few different episodes that we're going to start talking about more ways to profit from this economic insanity, from all this money printing. There's a statistic out there that 40% of all dollars in existence have been created just in the past 2 years. So of course we're going to see inflation, we're going to see rising prices, but how can we benefit from that? So some people are saying this channel is just doom and gloom. It's just news that's not so good. Well, I think it's good to know. It's good to know what's going on because you can prepare yourself. But another way to prepare yourself is to profit from the insanity, profit from all the money printing. And what's worked well for me and the best investment for me in the last couple of years has not been stocks. I do hold stocks. It's not been real estate. It's not been precious metals. I'm more of a buy and hold as far as precious metals. But the biggest area where I've gotten the biggest returns is cryptos. Now, I've been holding cryptos for many years, several different cryptos, as many of you know. But I was recently talking to a viewer who we've been chatting for a while now, but he's definitely a lot more into newer opportunities. I've been buying and holding instead of really searching out new opportunities. But today I've got a new opportunity that I've just got into recently. And the viewer here, Paul, my friend, he's going to tell you more about this. So the rest of this video is going to be what I think is going to be a great opportunity. And I'm invested in this area that you're going to hear about. And it has to do with cryptos. I encourage you, even if you're not familiar with cryptos or even if you don't like cryptos, I'm not sure why you wouldn't like them because, as I've said, they've been my biggest return. So why wouldn't you like something like that? If you've ever owned a stock, I would encourage you to at least consider getting some cryptos. If you've ever bought a stock, it's not too much different. You buy it online and there's an exchange that you buy it at. And if you look at all the cryptos with the biggest market caps, they have outperformed most major stock indexes. It's an amazing opportunity as far as I'm concerned. And would you rather buy a stock where the CEO is making 500 times more than the average employee of that company? Well, maybe, but at least take a listen. I think it's an amazing opportunity. My friend Paul is going to take it from here, and the links will be down below with all the information and all the details that he's providing. Links will be down below.
Thanks for having me, Jason. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to speak to my fellow bulls and bears here on this channel. A longtime supporter and viewer of this channel, and I wanted to provide some really important information of an exciting opportunity that we have. I know typically we arrive here at this channel to hear about how we can protect ourselves from the financial misconceptions that are being told to us through the media and even politicians. But today I'm going to talk about how we can go on the offensive, how we can be able to hedge the inflation and the economic turmoil that we see happening today. One of those opportunities that we have is through cryptocurrencies. I know many of us may not be comfortable or may not even trust cryptocurrency, but there's an exciting opportunity in a cryptocurrency opportunity that I think is something that we all can benefit from. And that's why Jason, after speaking to me, allowed me to share it with all of you. So the crypto company that I'm talking about today is crypto.com. Also, I want to let you know in advance that I am not a financial advisor. And this information is just for informational purposes only and is not investment advice. So please do your own research when it comes to making investment decisions. Now that we have that out of the way, I want to get in right to the topic of crypto.com. You may have heard that crypto.com just bought the naming rights to the iconic Staples Center located in Los Angeles. This is an extremely big deal, but this is only one of the things that they've done recently. They sponsor the UFC, Formula One racing, the Paris Saint-Germain soccer team, Philadelphia 76ers, and they now have naming rights to the Staples Center. And that's going to be announced here on Christmas Day while the Lakers play against the Brooklyn Nets, almost said New Jersey. Now, with that being said, this brings an exciting opportunity because unlike other cryptocurrencies, crypto.com has a currency called CRO, that is CRO, and it's more affordable than a $57,000 Bitcoin. But it has a very big potential to be able to grow. And that means if you have this currency, this CRO, then your account will grow with it. I can tell you a little bit from my own personal experience. I've been studying this company for close to a year now. And in April, I made the decision to go ahead and invest by buying $4,000 of the CRO token and actually staking them. What that is, it's like a CD where you allow them to lock up that money, that currency, for a set period of time. It's 180 days, 6 months. And in that period of time, you receive certain benefits. I'm going to go into that further. But just to give you a little bit of insight on the investment I made, I just put $4,000, and today that same amount is worth $21,000. That was just in April. And like I said, no affiliation, so I have no reason to mislead my fellow bulls and bears on this channel. But this is something that is so advantageous. I feel like this is only the beginning. So I want to make sure anybody that wants to is able to take advantage of what's happening right now. When it comes to cryptocurrency, we know we are so early in the adoption of cryptocurrency. Only 5% of the people in the world have it. So cryptocurrencies like this one, which right now are priced at 85 cents per token, very affordable. They have so much room for growth. So let me get right into the program that I want to tell you about that I think we all can benefit from. So with crypto.com, a couple of things that's very unique. Not only are they very aggressive in their advertising, but they were the first company to come with the crypto.com Visa card. Now with that, it's a prepaid debit card where you're able to load funds right from your bank account and you get cash back for using your debit card. Most banks don't offer cash back, but crypto.com Visa, you're able to get cash back, and it starts at levels. So I'm going to go over the benefits of not only holding these CRO tokens, but also taking advantage of the rewards program by having their debit card. So it starts at the first level. When you buy $400 worth of CRO tokens, so at this point, if at 85 cents, you would have a little bit over 400, probably close to 500 tokens. If you buy that and you agree to stake it, that means you can't spend it or access it for 6 months. You'll get a card that looks just like the one I showed you, except it will be red. And with that card, you'll get 2% cash back on all your purchases. Now, also, if you're into music, you'll be able to have a Spotify membership, and it's completely covered. What you do is you just pay for the membership with the card, and you will get an instant credit. Literally in 5 seconds, you get credited for the amount. And then on all your purchases, you get 2%. So 2% cash, let's just say you purchase $1,000 a month. That's $20 a month, plus you're getting $10 a month for Spotify. We add it up, that's $30 a month. So that means for holding just $400, you're able to earn $360 to be exact. If you just spend $1,000 a month on the card, you'll be able to get $360 back in return just for having a prepaid debit card, almost doubling your money. But this is the best part. Since you're holding this token, which is an actual asset that's ascending in value, you're able to make money not just on the benefits, but also on the amount that you're holding. It's growing. So like today, the token is at 85 cents. Let's say after 6 months, it's at $1.50. Well, that means those are all your gains that you're going to make, as well as the cash back that you're receiving is paid in the token. So those also will be growing if you choose to keep them, or you can choose to spend them, right? But we see the potential is phenomenal. Now, the next level is if you stake $4,000 like I did. Like I told you, you'll get either the green or the blue card that I just showed you. Now, for this one, you get 3% back in cash, and you get a 10% reward. We could call it reward. We can call it interest. You receive 10%. So that means on 4,000, you're going to get at least $400 in return. And the way that they do this is APY. That means annual percentage per year. So they take that amount, so that $400, and they split it, and they pay you in weekly increments. So every week, based on that $400, you're getting about $10 a week in payment. That's if Crow does not move at all. So that's $400. You also get your Spotify covered. So you also get your Spotify membership covered. Now, in addition to Spotify, which is going to be another $120, so now our total is at $520, you get your Netflix membership covered as well. So up to $13.99 per month. All you have to do is use your card to pay for your Netflix. Then you'll get in return an instant credit. So now that's $14 per month times that by the year. We're looking at another $168. So just to summarize, $400 for the interest rewards. You get another $120 in Spotify, another $168 with Netflix, and on top of that, instead of getting 2% back on your debit card, you get 3% back. Just on spending $1,000 a month, that's $30 a month. So that means if Crow does not go up at all, we have $360 plus $400 plus $100 plus $168. We're looking at $988 you will make in a year for just having your money held in an investment. Now, again, this is not including if the amount of Crow is going to increase. And like I said, when I first invested in Crow in April, it was 15 cents per token. Now it's 85 cents. And with crypto.com, advertising as much as they are, commercials, Matt Damon's their spokesperson, buying the Staples Center, all these things is only going to make their token go up. And within that Staples Center situation, they are now building an ecosystem where people will buy, sell, and trade using Crow. That makes their token more valuable. They will be setting up people with the same Crow credit cards that I'm telling you about right now. They'll be setting them up there in person. So it's going to be something phenomenal. Within the next 12 months, I realistically see Crow being at least $2, at least. So that just means simply you'll almost triple your investment and get paid on the way. Now, past the 4,000, if you stake 40,000, now you get 5% cash back. On your weekly reward, you get 12%. Still Netflix, still Spotify. They'll pay for your Amazon Prime membership. And as well, I didn't tell you about the 4,000. You get airport lounge privileges with the card as well. So, guys, the benefits are phenomenal. And honestly, I can go into very, very deep detail about the benefits. Another benefit about having the staking rewards from the 4,000 or the 40,000 is, in addition to getting the 10% interest or 12% interest that's paid weekly, you also get the opportunity to earn interest on any of your other cryptocurrencies. So if you do hold Bitcoin, if you do have Ethereum, if you do have Cardano, any of these, you earn anywhere from 4.5% in interest, going all the way up to as high as like 8.5%, and on some currencies it's even $14 on cash. That's right. If you have cryptocurrency cash, USDC, you get up to 14% interest. This will destroy any bank account. And this is a way that you can make your income grow. You can make your money grow faster than prices are going up. It's very rare that we have these opportunities. So that's really going to be it. I don't want to go into too much detail. I've probably already spoken too long. But another special bonus that Jason has prepared for his viewers is if you sign up, there'll be a referral code where you get $25 towards your Crow balance. Even if you don't have the money, it is ideal to download the app, put in the referral code, because it will lock in your price at what Crow is at the moment. So even if you fund your account 3 months down the line after Crow goes to $3, you'll get your $25 based off of the price it is today at 85 cents. I've tested this out. I referred my mom in July. The price was 12 cents. She just funded it, a couple of days ago, and she got 150 tokens based off that $25. Phenomenal. The customer service, the program, it is great, guys. Like I said, I get nothing from this. Obviously, we're just providing the referral reward as someone that is a Crow holder and someone that believes in it. But I just feel like it's an amazing opportunity, and it's rare that we know about these opportunities. Knowledge is power, so we want to share that power by giving you another way to hedge inflation. Instead of being on the defensive, we want to sometimes go on the offensive so we can make our money work with us, work for us. Okay, that's it, guys. It will be down in the description, the referral code. Also, I'm going to put an instructional video too that will walk you step by step how to get set up with being able to get a crypto.com Visa card. And if anybody has any questions, concerns, you can reach out to me directly. I'll be more than happy to assist you. This is my way of giving back. This is my way to support this project. And this is my way of doing something that allows us to take control of our finance and our financial future. So if we can do this, guys, I think it's something that'll be amazing. Thank you again. And again, like I said, look down in the comments.